Understanding the phrase, silly goose. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fun and commonly used English phrase, silly goose. This phrase is not only interesting but also reflects a playful side of the English language. So, let's dive into what it means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. The phrase, silly goose, is a term of endearment or a playful way to refer to someone who is being naive, playful, or foolish but in a harmless and affectionate way. It's important to note that this phrase is not used to seriously insult or hurt someone's feelings. Rather, it's often used among friends, family, or close colleagues to lightly tease or express fondness. Understanding the origins of phrases can often help us better grasp their meanings. Silly goose likely comes from the perception of geese as clumsy or foolish animals in popular culture and folklore. This image contributes to the playful nature of the phrase when applied to people. Let's see how silly goose is used in everyday language. 1. When someone makes a small, harmless mistake. You forgot your keys again? You're such a silly goose. 2. In a playful, affectionate context. Stop tickling me, you silly goose. 3. To lighten the mood after a minor mishap. Oh, I spilled my coffee. I'm being a silly goose today. It's crucial to understand the appropriate context for using this phrase. Silly goose is best used in informal settings among friends or family. It's not suitable for professional or formal contexts. Also, be aware of the tone and facial expressions when using it, as these can greatly affect how your words are perceived. Silly goose is a playful, affectionate phrase in the English language, perfect for adding a touch of fun to your conversations. We hope this video has given you a good understanding of how and when to use this phrase. Remember, language learning can be fun and phrases like these add color and personality to your speech. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing your English with a smile.